Down by the river, I was drawn by your grace into chapters of oblivion, into the lover's place. I was stuck in a puddle full of tears and unwise, stuck doing snow and oh, that we fade unlike honey and oh. Hey, when we walked on alone, I felt like we can throw away the forces of a past. And I know too, it's been the hardest days for you. Let's throw them out the window, that's what those lovers do.